English language learning. Mastering functions and uses in descriptions. Hello learners. Today, we'll be focusing on a very important aspect of English conversation. Describing functions and uses. Whether you're describing a gadget, a piece of furniture, or a new process, knowing how to talk about its purpose or how it works is a crucial skill in English. Understanding the function and use of something means recognizing what it does and how it is used. For instance, a pen is used for writing, or the function of a fridge is to keep food cold. Mastering this aspect of English will give you more confidence in describing objects, tools, and even processes in various contexts. Before we dive into the phrases, let's go over some key vocabulary. Function. This refers to what something is designed to do. Use. This is how something is utilized or applied. Purpose. This is the reason for which something is done or created. Feature. This is a distinctive attribute or aspect of something. Remember, these words often overlap, but they give us a range of ways to discuss what things do and why they're useful. Here are some very useful phrases for describing functions and uses of objects or processes. 1. The function of a blank is to blank. 2. The main use of blank is for blank. 3. Blank is designed to blank. 4. Blank serves the purpose of blank. 5. The feature of blank allows it to blank. 6. You can use blank to blank. 7. Blank is particularly useful for blank. 8. Blank is intended for blank. By filling in the blanks in these phrases with the object or process and its use or function, you can clearly describe a wide variety of things. Let's look at an example. The function of a refrigerator is to keep food cold. You can use a blender to make smoothies. A map is particularly useful for finding your way in a new city. Now it's your turn. Practice makes perfect, so try to use these phrases when you're speaking or writing in English. Describe the functions and uses of things around you. You can start with simple things like a chair, a book, or even your mobile phone. And that's it for today. By knowing how to accurately describe functions and uses, you've added a valuable skill to your English conversation toolbox. Remember, practice is key to mastering these phrases. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Happy learning!